A fintech firm that jumped 68% in revenue this year is now acquiring two tech platforms to expand its AI-driven finance ecosystem. Meanwhile, a pipe manufacturing giant just bagged a rupees 1,150 crore international order and is gearing up to double its revenues with expansions in Jammu and Saudi Arabia. Hi, and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we keep things simple and focus on companies that often go unnoticed but have strong potential. I am Nishant, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we'll talk about two companies that have made solid progress in their business and might continue to grow if current trend continues. But before jumping to the companies, let's see the disclaimer first. Any discussion, facts, or writing provided are for informational purposes only and do not constitute a buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your own due diligence before making any investment decision. So, the first company is Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, which is carving out a strong niche in the corporate finance fintech ecosystem. It offers automated expense and loyalty management solutions for corporates, SMEs, and startups. But what's exciting now is its aggressive push in AI-led expansion. The company recently announced the acquisition of Green Edge Enterprises and Dice Enterprises for Rs 27 crore and Rs 123 crore respectively. These deals will help strengthen its flagship platform, Propel, by adding high-end gold-based rewards and extending SaaS features such as travel, procurement, and expense automation. These integrations aren't just for show, they are expected to drive 35 to 40% revenue growth in FY26 and improve the margin to 12 to 15%. Talking about the financials, in Q4 FY25, Zaggle posted Rs 412 crore in revenue, up 22.4% quarter-on-quarter. EBITDA improved to Rs 48.6 crore with margins at 11.8%, while net profit reached Rs 31.1 crore, reflecting a net margin of 7.3%. For the full year, revenue rose to Rs 1,303.7 crore, a 68.1% jump over FY24. This shows not just top-line expansion but also improving operational efficiency. Looking ahead, Zaggle is building out new AI-based tools like Zaggle Copilot and MCP, and is also working to scale multilingual AI support. They are planning to bring in new clients through their MOU with Mesh Payments and partnership with Thomas Cook, Reddington, and Google. With clients like Big Basket and Zepto already on board and expanding usage, the company expects growth to accelerate even more if the acquisitions close by September. The management sees consolidated growth reaching up to 18%, and to add that, rising interest from investors, promoters holding is up. FIs have increased their stake from 5.9% to 8.4%, and DIIs more than doubled their holding from 5.4% to 13.2%. Clearly, Zaggle is drawing serious institutional confidence. Next company is Man Industries, a key player in the pipeline infrastructure space, manufacturing LSAW and HSAW pipes. With an installed capacity of 1 million tons, it's one of the largest in India. Recently, the company secured a Rs 1,150 crore order from an international client. This single contract represents 33% of its FY25 revenue and is set for delivery over the next 6 to 12 months. It also adds to an already strong Rs 3,500 crore order backlog and a Rs 15,000 crore order pipeline, mainly from global clients. Talking about the financials, in Q4 FY25, the company recorded Rs 1,218.5 crore in revenue, a massive 66.4% sequential jump. Full year FY25 revenue stood at Rs 3,505 crore, up 11.5%. EBITDA for the full year hit Rs 352.7 crore, translating to a margin of 10%, and net profit stood at Rs 153 crore with a net margin of 4.3%. These numbers reflect strong operational momentum as well as scalability. Looking forward, two major expansion projects. First, a new stainless steel seamless pipe plant in Jammu with a capacity of 20,000 metric tons per annum is expected to generate Rs 1,000 to 1,200 crore annually, with EBITDA margins of 20 to 25%. Second, the company is building a new HSAW pipe plant in Saudi Arabia with 3 lakh MTPA capacity, expected to add Rs 2,000 crore in annual revenue. At 12 to 14% margins, and together this could add over rupees 3,000 crore in top line and meaningfully lift the company's overall profitability. Management has set a bold vision to achieve rupees 8,000 crore in revenue within 2 years, up from rupees 4,000 crore targeted for FY26. Now, let's review some of our previous that we have. Balu Forge Industries Limited, covered at rupees 640, is currently trading at 690, up by 7.8%. Sky Gold and Diamonds Limited, covered at rupees 338, is currently trading at 380, up by 12.2%. Antony Waste Handling Cell Limited, covered at rupees 626.1, is currently trading at 625, down by 0.1%. Thomas Cook India Limited, covered at rupees 167, is currently trading at 174.2, up by 4.3%. Som Distilleries and Breweries Limited, covered at rupees 149, is currently trading as 153.1, up by 2.7%. Now, summary of today's recent filings includes Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited announced 2 strategic acquisitions to scale its AI finance platform, targeting 80% growth if deals close by September. Operational metrics and investor segments continue to strengthen. Man Industries India Limited landed a rupees 1,150 crore international order and is expanding in Jammu and Saudi Arabia, targeting rupees 8,000 crore revenue in 2 years, driven by large-scale infrastructure demand and strong execution. So that's it for today, Noisemaker edition. If you like this breakdown, you can scan the QR to read the full report. We will be back soon with more simple and clear market updates. Until then, stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead.